Hey everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. In the last video, we built a simple HTTP server. Today, we'll be learning how to handle multiple routes and serve dynamic content based on the requested URL. For that, we'll need this request. So I'll just make a condition where I'll search for require URL. If it is like my index page, like the forward slash, then I will write welcome to homepage. So how should I write it? Let me copy this. I will return HTML and I will say welcome to homepage in the h1 tag. Welcome to our homepage. So if I want multiple routes, I'll just add listen to the request. So I'll take another else if it's about page which contains slash about, then I need to make an about page here, like I'm writing a paragraph page, like welcome to our about page. Okay, else and other routes are requested, I will send it to 404 which says page not found. So two routes will work, one is about and another is the index route. So let's run the server. So it's in localhost 3000 which I have opened here. So if I run it, I can see welcome to our home page. So if I say is about, it says welcome to about page. If I say anything rather than this two, it says page not found. If I say 1 to 3, page not found. Only about and index page will work, else it won't. Now it's an static page you are seeing, but I want to see some dynamic below here. Now let's make this dynamic. Instead of hard coding content, we can serve dynamic data like current date or user input. Let's modify to see if I can show it here. So for that I need to take an date which is new date, then I'll write it here. For that I'll take a paragraph, today is the date. Okay, so let's stop it and then run it. So when I go there, I can see today's date is this Friday and this. So this way I can give any dynamic below here and it will be print out to my server and my website. And that's it. You have learned how to create different routes and serve dynamic content in Node.js. In the next video, we will dive deeper into handling user input and working with forms. So stay tuned for more and subscribe